Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you can see I've got a slightly different setup, and that is because I wanted to show off some more precious metals in one go. Now I think it's very important sometimes to do these videos where I showcase more precious metals than just a couple of items, because I remember when I was first stacking, and that wasn't that long ago, that was only just under 2 years ago now. And I really liked watching the kind of full stack videos and people that had been stacking for many years, because it's very, very inspiring and motivating. So I am going to start doing some more videos where I show off a little bit more precious metals. Now that's not to brag or say, look how much precious metals I'm holding. It's simply because I used to enjoy watching those videos when I first started out. And I know what it's like when you first get to your, say, 100th ounce or your 200th ounce. And it's very hard to keep that motivation going. Now, for those of you that have been stacking for any length of time, well, you'll know that it's a very financial commitment to be investing in precious metals, and you do have to make sacrifices along the way. So I do think it is definitely very motivating to see more silver like you can see today all in one go. And I do plan to do some kind of larger stack videos. Like I've said before, I'm not too comfortable doing a full stack video because I don't really want to disclose my exact amount in ounces, but I'm happy to do some kind of larger stack videos where I get, say, 500 ounces out in one go, just because I think, like I said, it's very, very motivating for people that have just started stacking to watch. Now in today's video I wanted to discuss the scam comments that have started appearing on my channel. Now this has been sent to me by Future Investments, and it's a reply to one of his comments on one of my community posts, and it basically looks just like me replying. Now you can see it's got the same channel logo, it's got the same channel name. If you click onto it, it's even got the same channel tag. Now if you look a little bit closer, and some of you might have already noticed this, but it actually says 365 days of sliver. Now they put the L in the wrong place, and also when you actually click onto the channel you can see that it's got no videos, it's got nothing going on the channel, and the actual channel tag, although it's identical to mine where it says 365 days of silver, is actually got a full stop at the end of it. So that's the way they've got it, almost looking identical to my actual channel tag, the little @channel tag. So it's just kind of a video to say, be very, very careful. Now, I haven't seen this on my channel before where someone's actually replicated my channel, and I didn't expect it to happen so soon because my channel is still a very, very new channel. Now, if you comment on some of the larger channels, you'll see this happens all the time. If you go on to, say, one of CoffeeZilla videos and you write a comment, you'll see someone that says CoffeeZilla replying, and it might be spelt slightly different, or it's got a full stop at the end, or whatever it may be. I've seen it on Backyard Bullion's channel as well. People will respond to you saying, WhatsApp me, I've got a great investment opportunity, and all the rest of it. And again, if you actually click on the channel, you can see that they've got no subscribers, they've got no videos. And also another way of telling is it will just straight away show you that you're not subscribed to that channel. And if you're subscribed to my channel and you click on it and you're not subscribed to that channel, then straight away you can obviously tell that it's not me responding. Now, I wanted to kind of clear up a couple of things. First thing, I'll never reach out to people on the comment section with investment opportunities or ways of making quick money, or WhatsApp my personal number, or join my Telegram group. That's just not something I would do. So just be very, very careful. And I know most of you that watch these sort of videos are switched on anyway, because if you're watching videos about investing and precious metals and all the rest of it, that just in itself shows that you're fairly switched on. So I don't think many people are going to fall for these sorts of comments, but they are very, very clever in the way they do them. You can see on this comment here, they've actually used logos to spell out their telephone number instead of an actual telephone number, because if you write an actual telephone number, 9 times out of 10, YouTube will actually block it because it will identify it's a spam comment straight away. So they are obviously up in their game, and they're working out new ways of getting around that to be able to still post comments. So yeah, just be very, very careful. And like I said, because my channel's still a very, very new channel and I've only just hit over 1,500 subscribers, I didn't expect to see other channels going through the whole effort of trying to replicate my channel just to kind of do a scam. I kind of thought they would more focus on the larger, more established channels, but it just goes to show you that however big the channel is, you'll still get these scam artists out there trying to target people. So So it doesn't matter if you're on a large channel or a smaller channel. If anything, in my opinion, now I think about it and I'm talking out loud about it, the scam actually might work better on a smaller channel like mine, because if you're on a larger channel, say like I said, CoffeeZilla, or someone that's got millions of subscribers, then there's a lower chance that they're actually going to reply to all the comments. However, on a channel that's smaller like mine, I try and reply to every comment, so it's more likely you're going to get a reply. So yeah, the scam actually might work better on smaller channels because people are more likely to get a reply. Whereas if you commented on a YouTube channel that had, say, 5 million subscribers, for example, you would actually be more shocked if you got a reply back, and you might do more kind of digging into it to make sure it's the real person replying, because you're kind of shocked that they've actually taken the time or had the time to be able to reply to you in the first place, if that makes sense. So yeah, just be very, very careful. Like I said, every channel, no matter how big or small it is, there's these scams appearing now. This is the first one I've seen that someone's actually gone through all the effort of copying my logo and my channel's name and everything like that. But I have seen other scams lurking around in my comment sections where you kind of get like a trail of like replies. You might get like 15 comments in one go, and the first one starts off saying how they made so much money, or they make £120 an hour, or some crazy number. And then the next person's replied saying, how do you make that sort of money? And the kind of conversation goes back and forwards between, like, say, 10, 15 people. And then eventually at the end of it, they say, yeah, you need to contact this person on Telegram, or this is his telephone number. And it's kind of gets people more drawn in because the comments are drawn out, and it makes it look like there's an actual conversation going on and it's actually legit. So you probably know what I'm talking about. You've probably seen those comments on many, many videos on YouTube, if you've been on YouTube for any length of time. So yeah, just be very, very careful. Just because that my channel is a smaller channel, it just goes to show that people are still going through the hassle of setting up a separate YouTube account and copying my logo and all the rest of it just to try and scam people. So yeah, that was kind of the point of the video today. I just wanted to let you know that I'm never going to be reaching out to people with fantastic ways of making £1,000 a day and all those sorts of things. So if you're ever unsure if it's me replying to a comment, like I said, the easiest way to do it is to click onto it, see if they've got any videos, see if you're subscribed to them, and obviously look closer at the name, and just straight away you'll be able to tell if it's me or not. And also, when you get a reply from me, the actual username, my actual username, is highlighted. I think it's highlighted like dark grey or something like that, so it actually highlights to show that it's actually me replying. So yeah, just a short video today to kind of warn you what's going on, and thanks Future Investments for bringing it to my attention. If you see these sort of comments popping up, just flag them as spam, or just let me know and I can delete them and get rid of them so people don't fall for it. I hope it was nice to be able to see a little bit more precious metals in one video. Let me know what you think about this new setup, if you think I should do some more videos in this setup. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.